this is Meg, and this is going to be my brand new channel. I'm looking forward to doing all these different clean with me's and seeing what other kinds of content that I'll be doing with this channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an upstairs clean with me, and I'm going to be taking down this Christmas tree and some of the other Christmas stuff I have upstairs. My kids just got back to school, and typically I would have already had my Christmas down, but I got really sick after Christmas and was basically unable to do anything. I have 4 kids, all school-aged, and we'll be cleaning their 2 bedrooms today, and let's just get into it. So that is one of my 2 cats. They are pretty curious and they like to be wherever all the action's at. Let's play a fun game. How many times do you count the cats in this entire video? This is my husband's, mostly is my husband's game room. It's where we keep a lot of our collectibles and different video game things. I'm going to be doing a quick spruce up in here. It's not a really in-depth deep clean. He's in charge of taking care of most of the stuff in this room and where it goes and its placement, so I don't really bother with any of the organization and stuff. It's something he knows he needs to get to, and we're actually planning on redoing this whole room and different kind of organizational things. If anybody has any great tips for different places for like organizational or how you would have it organized. So I'm just going to be doing some quick cleaning and wipe downs and just making sure I've picked up anything my kids have messed with, just so it's not messy in there. So now that it's completely clean and vacuumed and all wiped down and all the little knickknacks have been picked up, we are going to go and head over to my twins' room. Now their room is a complete wreck. Christmas has just happened last month, obviously. They're typically in charge of cleaning up their room and keeping it organized, but after usually such a haul of gifts they got, they didn't really know what to do anything. So while they're at school, I'm going to go ahead and just reorganize and get it all clean and make it easier for them to take care of it themselves.
Feels like I'm letting me go. It's hard enough to let you know. I know it won't last, but I can't let go this fast. Nothing remains but the final blow. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just how to play this game that's on repeat. When your heart is in the cold and your thoughts are getting old, your mind will press delete, and then you pick up the pieces before they knock on your door, baby. So pick up the pieces so they come knock on your door, baby. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces. On time love breaks down metrical. What to do, it starts off chemical. Now you stare into the sun like a child, you think you've won, but this game is on repeat. When your heart is in the cold and your thoughts are getting old, your mind will press delete, and then you pick up the pieces before they knock on your door, baby. So pick up the pieces so they come knock on your door, baby. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces. You know just what to say, and you know just how to play this game that's on repeat. And then you pick up the pieces before they knock on your door, baby. So pick up the pieces so they come knock on your door, baby. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces.
we're going to be doing my boys' room. They are preteens, so they're pretty much responsible for most of the organizing and cleaning. But like with my twins, it was post-Christmas and things just kind of got chaotic. So I'm just going to go in there and kind of just do a once-over and make sure that all these things are put away so that it'll make them a little bit easier for them. But for the most part, they're responsible for the day-to-day routine of making their beds and all that sort. So now I'm just going to clean up my hallway that I have upstairs. After all the stuff that I tossed out, I need to make sure it gets downstairs and all thrown away and put where it goes back in its place.
Too hungry to eat out, too dressed up to stay in. I guess I'll call and ask around to see if someone's in for the win. And we all got different highs and no one likes to wait. No patience.
Now that the room's all clean and fresh, I feel really comfortable getting the 2020 semester started and knowing it'll be a great start to a new year, a new semester, and make it all nice and comfortable and cozy for the kids when they're coming home from school.
And me and mom, we take what we want. We are the colors, and the middle is no way. We are the highway. We are the highway, and we ain't got nothing to lose.
Thank you so much to anybody who stuck around and watched this. Go ahead and like and subscribe or give comments or suggestions if you have any. And thank you very much, and see you next time.